Active Golf and Thalasso, your partner for all your golfing holidays.
Hi, I am Philip Govaert.
I am François Gebias.
And together we are FG Academy. I'm playing in Scottish conditions. Lots of wind and heavy showers. So I'm gonna play the ball lower. The higher your ball will go, the more wind you will have. So I will do again some adjustments. I move the ball back in my stance. I put my weight more forward and I will not finish my swing. I will stop right here. And that will give me a very low penetrating ball flight. Now I grab normally 2 clubs more than usual. Here we go. The ball back in your stance, leaning more forward, and a very short finish. And if there is too much lightning and thunder, we go in. And have a drink. FG Academy, learning golf can be fun. Cheers.